Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, in this video we are continuing our TCS NQT 2024 preparation playlist. So till now we have posted total 5 coding question videos. From last 1 week I was not able to upload the video. I'm really sorry for that because I was little bit ill. So today I am continuing this series, and in this video also we will be discussing a coding question. So this will be the 6th coding question that I am discussing for TCS NQT 2024 preparation. So if you have not watched the previous videos, I will give you the link of this playlist in the description box as well as in the I button. So make sure that if you're watching this video, after watching this video, you watch this playlist also. You will get to know which type of questions can be asked in your TCS NQT exam. So NQT exam is on 15th Jan. It is not that much far. You have just 10 days. So I will make videos from now on regularly till 15th of Jan. So make sure you are subscribing this channel and you're not missing any of the updates on this channel. So do hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel, because your like and subscribe gives us the motivation for making such videos. So guys, now let's start this video. Okay, so guys, the question here is, given an array of n integers, your task is to replace elements with its rank in the array. So you will be given an array of n integers, and each integer in that array should be replaced by its rank. Now you will say, what is the rank? For that, let's just understand the question first with the help of examples. Okay, so this is our input given, that is 20, 15, 26, 2, 98, 6. So these are the integers in the array. Now you have to replace each of these elements with their rank in the array. So how rank is decided? So one rank will be given to the smallest element in the array. Second rank will be given to the second smallest element in the array. So on, last rank will be given to the highest element in the array. So if you will see the array carefully, so you will see that this 2 has been given rank 1, and this 2 is the smallest element in the array. Okay, and the highest element, that is 98, it is given rank 6 in the array because it is the highest element. So this is how in increasing order ranks will be decided based on the element, based on the sorted positions of the element. So smallest being the smallest rank 1 and highest being the highest rank 6, and in between smallest to highest, each element with respect to their position in the sorted array, the ranks will be distributed. Okay, so this is how first example looks like. Okay, now let's just see the second example. So here also the concept is same. The first rank will be given to the element that is smallest in the array. In this case 1. Highest element is 15, so the highest rank will be 5. Okay, but you will say that total elements in the array are 6, so highest rank should be 6 obviously. But no, see here, two elements are getting repeated, 8 and 8. So only one rank can be given to a particular element. So in this sorted order, first 8 will come on the third rank. So therefore second 8 will also be given the third rank only, and then the number greater than 8 will be given the fourth rank, not the fifth one. So therefore the rank here is 5, but the elements in the array are 6. So this is how it is going. If the elements are same, then only one rank will be given to both of those elements. Okay, so I hope now the question is clear to you. Now let's just quickly go towards the approach of this question. Okay, so guys, we will be using the hash map based approach. How will you doing it? So see, what we'll do, we will first sort the array, because I have told you the rank will be given basis on the basis of the sorting. Okay, so smallest element will be given the smallest rank starting from 1, and highest will be the highest rank. So first we will sort the input array. Okay, I don't know what is this happening. Just a second. Okay, yeah, now it is fine. Yeah, so first sort the array, iterate over the sorted array. Key will be in the hash map. Key will be the value uh, Key will be the value of the array, and value will be the rank starting from 1. So let me explain this point. So this is our input array. Okay, this is our input array, 1, 5, 8, 15, 8, 25, 9. So this is our input array. What we'll do, we'll first sort the array. Okay, sort the array in the ascending order. So what is how will the array look like? So array will look like 1, 5, 8, 8, 9, 15, 25. Now what we'll do, we will iterate over this sorted array. We will iterate over this sorted array, and at every position there will be a variable called rank. Okay, so rank will be starting from 1. This is a variable. Now at every element we will check whether that element is in the hash map currently or not. If it is not in the hash map, we will add it in the hash map, and we will give the key as this element and value as the rank. So let's just start by iterating the array. So first we are on this first element, that is 1. So is 1 present in the hash map? So answer is no. So 1 is not present in the hash map. So what we'll do, we will add this 1 in the hash map, And what will be the value? As I have told you, value will be the rank. So rank will be initialized with 1. So smallest element will have rank 1. So here rank will be 1. Now once we have added this element, the processing of this element is done. What we'll do, we will update the rank to 2. So we will update the rank to 2 because rank plus plus, because next element will get rank 2. Now we will come into 5. We will check whether this 5 is in the array or not. Oh, is in the hash map or not? So no, it is not in the hash map. We will add this key value, 5 as key, and value will be the rank. So rank currently is 2. Now after this, rank will update it to 3. Okay, rank will be updated to 3. So 8 we will be coming. So 8 is not in the array. Oh, hash map, we will add 8, rank 3. Now we will update the rank to, we will update the rank to 4. Now we will again coming to 8, this 8, and this 8 we will check whether it is present in the hash map or not. So answer is no, it is not present in the hash map. So we will, oh sorry, the answer is yes, it is present in the hash map. So we'll leave this element as it is. We will move towards the next element, that is 9. We'll check whether 9 is in the hash map or not. So we have added this in the hash map, and value will be the rank. Again rank will be updated by 1, that is 5. Okay, so that is 5. Next is 15. 15 is also not in the hash map. So 15 rank with 5. Okay, this element is done. Rank is updated to 6. Okay, now next is 25. So 25 is also not in the hash map. So 25 we will add, and the value will be 6. That is rank variable. So this is how all the variables will now be present in the hash map with key as their original value, and the value in the hash map as their rank. Now what we'll do, once our hash map is filled, now what we'll do, what we will do after this iteration is over of after this, iterate over the original array and print rank of the current element from the hash map. Now what we have to do, we have sorted the array, but now once the hash map is filled, we will have to iterate the original array, so that for every element we can print the actual rank. Okay, not the sorted ranks but the actual rank. Okay, so once we are coming to 1, so we will check from the hash map that what is the value, because value will represent the rank of that element. So it will be 1, so we will print 1. Then is 5, we will coming to 5, rank will be 2, so we will print 2 here. Then we are coming to 8, rank is 3, we will print 3 here. Then we are coming to 15, 15 value is 5, rank is 5. So then again we are coming to 8, 8 value is 3 only. Then we are coming to 25, what is the rank of 25? It was 6. Then we are coming to 9, what was the rank of 9? It was 4. So this is our actual output, that is 1 2 3 5 3 6 4. So 1 2 3 5 3 6 4. So this is our actual element. Once the hash map is filled, we will have to iterate over the original array. Now how we will, like once you have sorted the array, how we will know that what is the original array? For that, let's just move towards the code. And if you are finding this video useful till now and you have understood the question, please hit the like and subscribe button, because more such videos will be posted in future. And if you have not watched previous videos, the link you can find in the description box for this entire playlist. So now to understand how we can keep the original array after sorting as well, let's just move towards the editor. Okay, so guys, I have already written the code. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do, we will take n as input, that is how many elements will be there in the array. Then we will be declaring an array of size n. Then we are declaring the second array also of size n. Why this is second array is required? For keeping the original array's value. We will look line by line. Okay, then we are declaring our map, hash map, unordered map. Okay, and again, to use this particular library, it is inbuilt. You will have to use this particular library in the top, that is hash include bit slash stdc plus plus dot h. So you will just simply, you can simply use this unordered map. Okay, then we are declaring a rank variable, int rank equivalent to 1. Now we are taking the input of the original array. So for we are iterating over from 0 to n, and we are taking the input for the original array, c in arr of I. Okay, next thing is, in the next loop what we are doing, it is important. Now what we are doing, this is our arr of I. Arr is our original array. We are maintaining a copy of the original array, that is our brr. Okay, so brr is the copy of the original array, because this arr, that is our original array, will be sorted after it. So we have to keep the original values also. So therefore we have made a second array, that is brr, and it is a copy of the original array. So after this loop is over, what we are doing the sorting of the original array, as I have told you already. Why we are doing sorting? Because to find the rank of each of the elements. Next, what we are doing, now we have to fill the hash map. For filling the hash map, I have told you we will again be iterating over the sorted array, that is our original array now, because it is sorted. First we will check whether the current element is present in the hash map or not. If the current element is not present in the hash map, by this condition we will be checking. If the element is not present in the hash map, what we'll do? We will simply add that element as a key in the hash map, and value will be the rank. Okay, we will, again I'm telling you, we will add that element as the key in the hash map and value will be rank. And after the processing of that element is over, we will do rank plus plus. Okay, rank plus 1. This was the case when the array element was not present in the hash map. But if that array element is present in the hash map, then in that case what we will do nothing. We will simply move towards the next element. Okay, now after this loop is over, our hash map is also filled and it contains the rank of each and every element. Next what we are doing, now we will be iterating over the original array, that is originally array, that is the BRR, because it was the copy of it, it kept the positions of original array. We know that now the original array is BRR. Now we are iterating over the BRR. Okay, and we are simply printing out the rank of that current element. So if on the first position, let's suppose 1 was there, so MP of 1 it will print. Okay, then MP of 2 it will print, then MP of 15 it will print. Similarly, because this is the original array and we are just printing the rank in the original positions from the hash map. So this was all this particular question. Okay, this was the all the code. Let's just quickly run this code in the editor. So our original array was 7 1 5 8 15 8 25 and 9. Let's just run it and we will see the output. According to me, it should give the correct output. So you can see 1 2 3 5 3 6 4. It was our expected output. Let's just try on the another input also. Okay, this input. So 2015 control C. Let's just try on this input as well. Just a second. Yeah, let's just try on this input as well. Okay, how many elements are there? There are 6 elements, space separated by single spaces. Just a second. Okay, yeah, let's just run it. Let's just, then we will compare the output of with our expected output. So it is 435162, 435162. It is 435162. So our expected output is equivalent to the current output. So this particular code will pass all the test cases that will be given to you. So this was the entire code. If you want it, you can always take the screenshot for it line by line. I have tried to make you understand. Okay. So if you still have any doubts regarding any of the videos or any of the coding questions that are discussed in past, you can always write in the comment section. I will be happy to help. And if you have not hit that like button and subscribe button for this channel till now, please do that, because it will give us motivation, and more videos till 15th we will be posting on this channel. You will get the update of all the videos as soon as possible. So do hit that subscribe button and share this video among your friends. Thank you for watching this video.